Hi there, Ruben. It's Marcy Hutton here, recording your video for you. And what I'm going to show you in this video is 3 things that you could do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now, you're most likely asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, the answer is that when it comes to internet marketing, most business owners are too busy running their business to learn how it could actually work to their benefit. And sometimes the only hesitation that they have when it comes to hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So what I've found is that by giving people an easy blueprint of actual things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those business owners still raising their hands and saying, please do this for me. So by the end of the video, if you like what you've heard, if you can see that I have a few tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, then we could chat. Or if by the end of the video you simply want to take these tips that I gave you and do it yourself, that works for me too. Okay, so the 3 things that I'm going to go over, and I'll try to keep this brief as possible, are content, citations, and backlinks. So by content, what I'm referring to is when I got highlighted here. So the information, the pictures, the words that you have on the home page and in throughout your website. Really nice website, by the way. I like it. The content that you have on your home page, I'm just going to check something here. So see how it's just 3grid_Reno. So you would want to take advantage of, this is where I was just getting into content. Google reads everything. So these pictures are, beautiful, and they're catching my attention, and I'm certainly your customers, but Google, as it reads everything, you can name those pictures. So as I said, that one didn't really tell Google what to do. It could have been named home renovation. So they like to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on a home page. It helps them then to match up what it is that you do and where you do it. So then they can match it up with whoever's typed what they're looking for in the browser. And Google does this. It's in Google's best interest to serve up the best results and have people kept on their search engine, because that's how they make money. So that's why they'll reward the sites if they're crawling the web, to find the results, and one site has a couple hundred words of content and the other one's got 1,500. They will see the one with 1,500 words of content as being the expert and then just show them higher. So that's absolutely an opportunity that you have if you chose to add keyword rich, authoritative, uniquely written content on your homepage, and that would help to tell Google what it is that you do. Now the second thing, citations. I'm going to go over to the search page here. What a citation is it's a place on the internet where you would find your exact business name, address, and phone number listed. So this map listing here that shows up in the middle of the first page of the search, that's actually a citation. It has your business name, address, and phone number. Now, having yourself cited all over the internet in various business directories, 411, Yellow Pages, Yelp, all those are citations. So the more places that you have your business listed, Google crawls the web, sees you listed all over the place. It definitely lets them know that you're a legitimate business. And in the sense of this showing up here on the first page of the search, it will help to get you up here, with the goal being, of course, to be one of these 3. If you go out and get your business cited in more directories than all of your competitors in time, that will help to push you up here. So there's where your citations help you. Anytime you come across a free business listing to list your business, absolutely do that, and that's how it will help you. Now down here, this section, we call this the organic section of the first page. So the sites that Google chooses to place here is based on, for the most part, on backlinks, the third thing that I'm going to go over. And what a backlink is it's a link from a third-party site on the internet linking back to your website. To understand, to kind of explain this in simplest terms, if you think of the internet as being a big popularity contest, when other sites on the web vote for yours, aka link to yours, that in Google's eyes sees you as the popular one, and therefore they're going to push you up in the search results because you're popular. You need to be seen. So I have taken your site and put it into a tool that shows us what's going on with those backlinks, what's behind the scenes. And I also took the number one site showing up underneath the mats here, so number one organically, and put him in the same tool so we can see a comparison. Now, it's showing me that you have 8 other websites on the internet that are linking back to yours, giving you 50 backlinks, that you are being found for about 101 organic words, keywords. This is where your content comes into play and it's important. And that you're getting, roughly 11 visitors to your site each month. So they're finding your site. We can click on these and it gives us an idea of so equestrian barns, we want to find, and for those terms right there, you'd be showing up over here position. There's usually 8 to 10 on a page. So if it's 11, 11 to 19, there's going to be the second page and etc. That's how that goes. But we want to find, okay, so general contractors, Langley, BC, 54. So this is going to be the 6th page. Now you can see back here, then that explains why it is that there's only just organically, so not in a paid ad in any way or anything, but organically, this is why there's not a lot of visitors. So strengthening the backlink prowl, and in saying the popularity contest thing, I do want to specify that when it comes to backlinks, they're not all created equal, and quality is always going to win out over quantity. So you want to have sites that come from reputable sites on the internet, sites that have been around for a while and Google trusts them, and they're relevant to what it is that you do. Best case scenario is going to carry the most weight. So let's take a look at this one. He has 262 other websites linking back to his, giving him just about 1,000 backlinks. He's being found for just about 3,000 organic keywords, the content thing, and he's getting about 1,500 visitors clicking on his site each month. So just to give you an idea about that keyword thing and how this can work. So renovations Vancouver, there's about 100 searches for that a month approximately. And he's in the number one position, so you can kind of see it's saying that he's probably getting 43 clicks on his site traffic, being that he is in that number one position. So you can see all the words up here: Vancouver renovation, Vancouver home renovations, Vancouver renovations, renovation contractor Vancouver. So that's the optimizing of the content on the site, and then using your backlink power to power your site up into the first page of the search. So I'm going to leave it at that, Ruben. Hopefully you found this information useful. I will email this off to you, and of course check up to make sure that it didn't end up in a junk folder somewhere or something, and you had a chance to see the information. And I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks. Bye-bye.